Let's begin our letter quest. Each one special, each one blessed, making sounds and learning too. Watch how much your mind can do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Some letters make this simple sound. Some need friends to go around. Put them all together right. Watch the words come into sight.